In today's video, I want to show you guys step by step on how to create a uTest account and how to make money online from uTest. Many people have been sending me a message on how they can make money online, and I found this uTest a good way to make money online. Okay, so without further ado, let me just jump right into it because it's a long process and I don't want to waste your time. So the first thing you need to do is to have the browser right here. It's called AdSpower browser. Okay, when you have the browser, open it up like this. This is how the interface looks like. They will tell you to sign up. After signing up, you land on this interface. After you are on this interface, click on new profile. Okay, what you're about to do is to create a new profile, more like a browser plus a proxy. Okay, if you don't know about proxy, click the link below to learn about proxy. All right. What you need to add here is just to add any proxy. Let's say USA proxy. Okay. The browser I want to use, I want it to be on Windows like that. Okay, so user agent, leave all of these things. Now for the proxy, just choose your proxy type. Either use HTTP or SOX5. Okay, if you want to get good proxy to use for this, just go to geonix.com. Link will be in the description. If you want to buy their proxies, I've teach you guys how to buy proxy. If you don't know how to buy it, just click on quick order right here to take you to this place. Tap on residential proxy. We are using residential proxy for this. Okay, you can go for 7 gig for 30 days. Okay, this is for 30 days. As you can see, this is the price. You can go for much bigger ones, or you can go for 3 gig. All right, so when you click on buy proxy right here, choose other purposes. Here just choose crypto, and here choose any way you want to pay to. Okay, if you have USDT, if you have MasterCard, you can choose this as well. Here you just need to put your email right here that you see apply code. Just put in this code James Survey right here. They will give you a discount. Okay, so that's how you can buy proxy from this website. If you want to the tutorial on how to do this, click the link in the description. A YouTube video is there where you can watch and do it on your smartphone. All right, after you do that, after you are giving your proxy, just come right here. Okay, and put in your proxy there. Okay, now you just click on check proxy. Alright, let's wait for it to check the proxy. As you can see, connection test passed. After that, just scroll down, leave all of this like that. Okay, leave all of this and click on OK right here. Alright, so now we are done with that. Okay, all we just need to do is to click on open. When you click on open, it will open another browser for us. Alright, this is the browser it has opened for us, as you can see right here. Alright, so it will show us our location and all that. Okay, so let me just open it up right here and make it big so you can see it very well. Right here, if you want to check if your connection is successful more, just go to ipscore.io. okay, Geonix has good static registrar proxy that you can get and use for all of these things. Okay, so the reason why we are not creating accounts in Nigeria is because there is no way you can make money from this website in Nigeria. Okay, so as you can see, this is a residential proxy. This wireless is just more like a Wi-Fi. Okay, so after that, just go to uTest right here. Let me just tap on this and go to uTest. uTest, right, just search it like this. Okay, so here just tap on uTest, right. Okay, to bring it to the interface, as you can see right here, it's amazing digital experience. It starts with you. Okay, so all you just need to do is to check out all of these things so you can understand. Okay, knowledge helps you a lot in all of these things. Okay, knowledge helps you a lot, so make sure you learn about them, check their project and all that. Now click on join now. I want to teach you guys to create an account on this website so you won't get flagged. Make sure you are not using a rotating residential proxy. Use a static residential proxy. All right, static residential proxy. So right here you just need to put your name, put the name on your PayPal account. Okay, if you have a PayPal account, put the name on your PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account yet, just put a name. Okay, put a name if you don't have a PayPal account here. So right here I'll just add Emmanuel. Okay, I have Emmanuel Emmanuel James. Let me just add this like that. Then email address, let me add one of my email address. Okay, that's my email address. United States, as you can see, it's because of my proxy that is making it to show United States right here. Now months, you don't need to lie about your age. Okay, make sure you are just above 18. Okay, but I'll just use any age right here because it's not my account. All right, here I can just choose this. You can even choose 2006, 2005. All right, so now you create an account on this platform. Now, as you can see, they say confirm your account, check your inbox for an email, set up your password, and log in your uTest. So I'll copy my email address right now. Alright, I've copied it. All I just need to do is to paste it here, right? Then click on enter. Alright, they'll tell me to set up a password on my account. Okay, so now I just need to put in my password right here. After putting your password, just click on set password right there. Okay, they will ask you to log into your uTest account right now. Okay, put in your email address. Okay, then click on continue right there. Okay, so right here, put in your password and click on sign in. I know you guys are seeing my password. I'll change it later, but I don't need the account actually, but I'll still change the password for security's sake. Okay, so now it will log me into my uTest account. As you can see right here, this is my account. So this is how the dashboard looks like. Okay, so as you can see here, it says unrated, right? Meaning you have not tested any project or any bugs or anything they have given you on this website, so nobody has rated you yet. So let's just confirm all of this. All you just need to do is to set up your payment, connect with community, complete profile scan, and all that. I'll only do like 2 or 3. Okay, let me just set up payment method right here. Alright, they want you to share your location. Just click on never allow. Okay, here click on cancel. Okay, so click on setup right there, set up payment method. Yes, I have a PayPal account here. Just put in an email for your PayPal account. So I'll just put let me put one of my email, James PayPal services gmail.com. And if you want me to help you to receive funds from PayPal, if you don't have a PayPal account, you can send me a message. Okay, we use rates. So just click on save right here. Okay, after saving, then you are done with that. Just go back to your home page, right? Go back to your home page. Alright, as you can see, it has been ticked. Now complete your profile. Complete your profile right there. Okay, so they ask you to upload your image. It's not needed. Here, you about me, you can just write anything. Okay, so I can use AI to do this. Alright, this is what I do. I have asked AI a question. As you can see, I said /human. As you can see, what this will allow it to speak like a human being. I say here I'm creating a uTest account and I need to put my about me section. Give me a good about me section as a web tester, sorry, based on uTest preference. So right here, it has given me some options. Okay, so I can just copy this. Make sure you read it before you copy it. Read it and make sure you like it before you copy it. Okay, so I can just come here and paste it here. Okay, I can just paste it here like this. Then here, just leave the name. Here I'll just choose mail, and here phone number. If you have a US phone number, you can use Fanitel, or you can use Vike. Okay, or you can use text verified. So street here, as you can see, it says optional, right? So it's not needed. This city and state is needed. Okay, so if I can check my city and state right here, my city is Richmond, right? And my state is Virginia. So all I just need to do is to come here and choose my state, which is this. Then here I'll just choose Richmond. Richmond. Okay, this is it. So postal code. For you to get your postal code, I'll just copy this, copy it like this, then go to Scamalytics. Okay, so I'll just I'll just click on this, then here I'll just paste it here, then I'll click on search. Okay, so let's wait. So my postal code is the postal code right here. Okay, that's how I get the postal code. Let me just copy this like this. Sorry. Okay, here I'll just paste it here.